Hi, today for the MOTOROLA Moto G13 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner that's on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button here on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast, correct? We just successfully unlocked the device with the simple touch to the power key button. Well, I just not pressing it, I just simply touch it. So this unlock method works here fast and correct. That's why I suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.